Okay, I want everybody to pay attention because I might ask you to read his same word. Okay, ready? So what word was this one more time, Avery?
Sat.
Sat. What did I just do?
Cat.
Good. What word did she read?
Cat.
Good. What did I just do?
Cap.
Good. What word was that?
Cap. Nap.
Nap. Good. I'm going to go to Ilya. Ilya, what word was that?
Nap.
Look, I'm changing my vowel in the middle. What word do we have now?
E. Nip.
I love how you tap that word out. Excellent. What word did she just read?
Nip. Nap.
Well, let's tap it together.
Nip. Nip.
Excellent. What did I just do?
Dip.
Excellent. I'm moving over here to you. What word did he read?
Dip.
What word do we have now?
Hip.
Excellent. What word is this?
Hip.
Hip. Good. I'm going to change my vowel in the middle again. Are you ready?
Hop.
Hop. Excellent. We're going to move right here to Hadley. Hadley, what word was that?
Hop.
What did I just do?
Bop.
Excellent. Ilya, what word?
Bop.
Okay. What's this word?
Up. 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 Mop.
Excellent. I love how you pulled it together at the end.